The world of software testing is changing, automation is evolving, AI is entering the ecosystem, and workflows are becoming smarter. If you are a manual tester, your experience is valuable. Manual testing has given you understanding, patience, and real testing intuition. But now it is time to expand that experience into automation with AI. The market is moving toward smarter automation, AI assisted debugging, workflow based systems like N8N, and integrated tools powered by MCP servers. Instead of learning all these things randomly, you need a structured starting point. That is exactly why I created the Automation 2026 Readiness Bootcamp. In this 6-day focused experience, you will learn practical Java for automation, build strong clarity around Selenium, experience how AI integrates into testing workflows, understand workflow automation concepts, and get a clear 90-day direction for your career growth. By the end of this bootcamp, you will see automation differently, with clarity, with structure, and with confidence. If that is the direction you want for your career, click the button below and enroll now. I will see you inside the bootcamp.